Hey guys, Jody here with another Tech Talk Tuesday. What we want to talk to you today is about maintaining the filter in your refrigerator. It's very critical that you don't get your refrigerator stopped up. It's as simple as replacing this filter. Your screen will actually tell you when it's ready, but always keep you a spare one on hand. Very simple to take in and out. Always remember to let the flap put the filter in and out for you. Never force it in. And just like that, if you need any help, give us a call, 1-205-668-0075. We're always here to help.